Arab dog, I gotta tell you this, man. System is a game. It's a game, man. And you have three choices to choose from. It's either you unconsciously playing this game, keep on losing and keep on complaining, or you learn the rules of the game and play by the rules, or you foul play and land on the wrong side of the law. The choice is yours, man. It's yours. The aim is not to all of us be business women and businessmen. The aim is to keep on doing something that your future self will be proud of. Don't you want to buy your time, retire early, and use your time to things that light your soul up? Don't you want to be financially independent? Is not that what you want? Do you want your child to go in the same trap as you, the rat race? The choice is yours, man. That's what I gotta tell you right now. Let's bring it home, South Africa. Vele iculo eliculwayo elitshelwe ingane liyafana. Go to school, graduate, get a job, buy a house, buy a car, get married. That is just the national anthem that we use to tell our children. Ne? But there is just one part that is missing, and that is a very crucial part that is missing. Invest. That is the crucial part. Invest. I want to tell you something ngalesikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha othi ngenzana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Angazi lento ukuthi ngizoyibeka kanjani. But mina ngokwami I decided ukuthi I'm not gonna sit here and complain about the foul play they are playing, because there are so many things ezisimazenziwa abantu abanemali kube ukuthi they are within the law, but mazenziwa wena those things zibizwa ukuthi azikho emthethweni yabo. So when you have to learn, and you should be very cautious about what you learn, because it's something that you never learned in school yabo. Lento kumele ukuthi uyifunde manje, because if you did like get it from school, you learned something that is very concrete about lento ngikhuluma ngayo, ngabe akukho kulesimo kusona nje manje, ngaba ukho la yabo. Business sector ne financial sector